A function f is defined by this, where p is a constant. Find the exact value of p for which equation f of x is equal to 0 has repeated roots. We'll use the discriminant b square minus 4ac equals to 0. b is minus 2 square minus 4 into a, which is p, into c, which is p plus 4, equals to 0. Now this is 4 minus 4p square plus 16p equals to 0. 4p square plus 16, this is minus 16 if we rearrange this. So 4p square minus 16 minus 4 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. P is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root 5. So it is either minus 2 plus square root 5 or minus 2 minus square root 5. A function g is defined by this. This is the same function as f of x for x greater than equal to a, where p and a are positive constant. Show that the least value for a which the function g inverse exists is 1 over p. Now least value means minimum value, which is a turning point. So for the turning point we have to make the derivative equal to 0. So we'll find the derivative of g of x, which is equal to dy by dx is equal to 2px minus 2 equals to 0. 2px equals to 2. X equals to 2 divided by 2px. No, 2p. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 1 over p it is showed. Given that p is equal to 2 and g inverse does exist, find an expression for g inverse of x. So with p is equal to 2, g of x is equal to y is equal to 2x square minus 2x plus 6. Now you have to transform this equation into a completing square form to further solve it. So it will become, we'll take 2 common, so 2 into x square minus x. Now this is minus 1x, and you have to add its half squares and subtract its half square. So half of minus 1 is equal to 0.5 square minus 0.5 square, and the rest plus 6 is also divided by 2, so plus 3, and the bracket closes. Now 2 whole, you write x, you write this sign x minus 0.5 or 1 by 2 whole square minus 0.5 square and plus 3, this will be equal to plus 5.5, or you can write it as we have to also multiply it by 2, so it will become 11 by 2 or 5.5. Now this is equal to y, and you have to make x subject. So y minus 11 by 2 is equal to 2 into x minus half whole square. Now divide this whole equation with 2. This will become y minus 11 by 2 divided by 2 is equal to x minus half whole square. So if we take square root of both sides, this is what remains, and now y minus 11 by 2 divided by 2 plus half equals to x. So g inverse of x is equal to square root of x minus 11 by 2 divided by 2, this is also included in the square root, plus 0.5. This is the expression for g inverse of x.